Want strong, beautiful nails? Natural is the way to go. No harsh chemicals, just pure goodness for your fingertips. Did you know your nails reveal a lot about your health? They're like tiny windows into your well being. Healthy nails are smooth, strong, and have a natural shine. Weak, brittle nails could be a sign of nutritional deficiencies or other health concerns. So let's pamper those nails the natural way and watch them flourish. Our kitchens hold secret weapons for nail care. Natural oils. These oils are not only easily accessible but also packed with nutrients that can transform your nail health. Coconut oil, a hydration hero. It penetrates deeply, moisturizing nails and cuticles. Plus, it has antifungal properties. Regular application can keep your nails looking shiny and healthy while also protecting them from infections. Olive oil. Rich in vitamins A and E, olive oil strengthens nails and prevents peeling. Warm it up for a luxurious nail soak. This simple treatment can make your nails more resilient and less prone to breakage. Tea tree oil. This powerful oil is a natural antiseptic fighting off fungal infections. Dilute it with a carrier oil before applying. A few drops can go a long way in maintaining nail hygiene and health. Lemon juice, a natural brightener. It helps remove stains and promotes nail growth. But don't overdo it as it can be drying. Use it sparingly to keep your nails looking fresh and vibrant. These oils are like magic potions for your nails. Use them regularly and you'll see a noticeable difference. Incorporate them into your daily routine for the best results and enjoy healthier, stronger nails. Incorporate these simple steps into your routine for naturally gorgeous nails. First and foremost, moisturize daily. Just like your skin, your nails need hydration. Massage oil into your nails and cuticles every day to keep them nourished and healthy. When doing household chores, especially washing dishes, always wear gloves. This simple habit protects your nails from harsh chemicals and hot water, which can weaken and damage them over time. When it comes to filing your nails, always file in one direction. This technique prevents breakage and splitting. For the best results, use a glass or crystal file for a smooth finish. Be mindful of the products you use on your nails. Avoid harsh nail products that can strip away natural oils. Say no to acetone-based removers. Instead, choose gentle, non-toxic alternatives that are kinder to your nails and skin. By making these small changes, you can significantly improve the health and appearance of your nails. Remember, consistency is key. With a little daily care, your nails can look and feel their best. Don't just take our word for it. Science backs up the power of natural nail care. Studies show that coconut oil effectively penetrates and moisturizes nails, improving their strength and flexibility. Another study found that a blend of essential oils, including tea tree and lavender oil, significantly improved the condition of brittle nails. These studies prove that nature provides everything we need for strong, healthy nails. Banish brittle nails. Tips and tricks. Brittle nails getting you down? Fight back with these tips. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep nails hydrated from within. Eat a balanced diet. Include protein, biotin, and other essential nutrients for nail health. Avoid excessive hand washing. While important, frequent hand washing can dry out nails. Moisturize afterwards. Consider a biotin supplement. Biotin is a B vitamin crucial for nail health. Remember, healthy habits lead to healthy nails. Grow with the flow. Tips for longer, stronger nails. Dreaming of long, elegant nails? Here's how to encourage healthy growth. Don't use your nails as tools. Avoid using your nails to open things or pick at things. Keep your nails trimmed. Regular trims prevent breakage and promote healthy growth. Massage your cuticles. This stimulates blood flow to the nail matrix, encouraging growth. Patience is key. Nail growth takes time, but with consistent care, you'll achieve your desired length. The holistic approach, diet and nail health. In this section, we will explore how your diet can significantly influence the health and appearance of your nails. Remember, beauty starts from within. A balanced diet is key to maintaining not just your overall health, but also the strength and beauty of your nails. What you eat directly impacts your nail health. Nutrient-rich foods provide the essential vitamins and minerals that your nails need to grow strong and healthy. Protein power. Include lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and beans for stronger nails. Protein is a building block for keratin, the main component of your nails. Biotin, boost. Eggs, almonds, and sweet potatoes are excellent sources of biotin, crucial for nail growth. Biotin helps to prevent nail brittleness and promotes thickness. Zinc zone. Zinc deficiency can lead to brittle nails. Ensuring you get enough zinc in your diet is essential for maintaining nail strength and preventing breakage. Load up on pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and spinach. These foods are rich in zinc and can help keep your nails resilient and healthy. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, you'll be giving your nails the building blocks they need to thrive. A well-rounded diet not only supports nail health, but also contributes to your overall well-being. Section 8. Embrace the natural nail glow. A call to action. Ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of nature for naturally strong, beautiful nails. Incorporate these tips into your routine, be patient, and watch your nails transform. You'll be amazed by the results. Remember, healthy nails are a reflection of a healthy you.